Oi oi soldiers, WILDMAN Gaz here. No hat for a change. I'm off work, thought I'd get my hair done. That's all I look like with no hat. Bit weird I know, but hey ho. Anyway, who fancies a little bit of a chilled woodland wander? Now this place, I'm about 2 miles away from my house really, and this is actually called Furness Forest. Now it's strange this, because I've been doing a bit of a dive on this place. Now anyone local to my area will know this place, or some of you might not. But it's strange how I've been exploring all over Derbyshire and and I'm in Staffordshire now, which is WILDMAN country. WILDMAN country. And I've come to a place called Furness Forest. Now I've been doing a bit of research on there, and it's like a place called the Old Furness. Now this was supposed to be my day off. I'm just having a wander through the woods. Well, you know me guys, I've got to share this with you because it's a little bit of a gem, and it's a nice little relaxing woodland walk. We've got streams and bits and bobs and old world everywhere. You can't get away from it. I can't get away from it. And it's got a lot of history, this place has. It's got a bit of Oliver Cromwell come through here. Well, we knew what he did. He destroyed all the bloody old world structures and that. You know, he was like all the other idiots, Napoleon and bloody William the Conqueror. They called him William the Conqueror because he went around destroying everything. But anyway, like I say, local guys will know this, so I'm going to take you on a little woodland wander, a chilled one. Like I say, guys in my local area will know this, so it'll be a bit of a jam for them, because some of you guys can't get out, I understand that, so I'm going to do the woodland wander for you. We're in a heat wave here in the UK. We're in a drought. There's fires everywhere, guys, so if that come out, I thought I'm going to get out there before it all dries up and burns. Because it's getting hotter at the minute. I mean, it'll sort itself out, but they said on the news as we won't be getting any rain till October. So, how they know that, I don't know. Yeah, but let's do a bit of history on this place, guys. Now, the Time team have actually been round here, say no more. So I'll do a bit of a read for you and let you know. Anyway, the Old Furness is a colloquial name given to a historic site in Oakmoor, Staffordshire, which is where we are. The Furness was situated in the Churnick Valley, down there, in the Staffordshire moorlands. A later Elizabethan era blast furnace once stood on the site of this present Old Furness and cottage. But I think that's down there, guys, but we're going up bank. So I need to go Cheadle, get my stuff. Like I say, it was just a day off. Anyway, it says here, it had an ancient trackway from 3 miles away, which is Alton, which is WILDMAN country. And the path can still be seen in the field next to the cottage. Problems arose from the outset. After 9 months, the site was abandoned, which gave way to its Old Furness name. So it was abandoned after 9 months. It still looks abandoned now. Anyway, it says down here at the bottom, George Talbot, the 6th Earl of Shrewsbury, whose seat was 2 miles away, owned rights to many mineral extraction sites in the area. His business affairs passed to his wife, Bess of Hardwick. So, the woman who built Chatsworth House and the woman who built Hardwick Hall own this as well. So, it's mad, because I've been on a bit of a mission all round. And we've gone round in a big circle. So yeah, for all you history buffs out there, you think what you can like, but I know what my guys will think of this place. I think it's beautiful, and I out share it with you. Like I say, it's my day off. I'm out on a wander, boots on the ground as always. I do nothing. There's people walking the dogs and everything, but we're going to check this place out. Weird having no hat on, but that's what I look like with no hat. I'm not that grey actually, guys, so I'm not doing too bad for nearly 50. But we'll go and check this place out. Here we go. We're going to have some beautiful countryside shots. There's all sorts about. Check this out, generals. And this is just for the people who can't get out, really, who wanted to know a little bit about WILDMAN's area. I mean, I don't really care about treading. There was my seat. Beautiful. Middle of the stream. But we'll take a wander up the stream. Like I say, connections to Bess of Hardwick. And also, Oliver Cromwell, you've got Alton Castle down there, down that way. And you've actually got remnants of where Oliver Cromwell actually mounted his cannons up there, if you believe in cannons. Well, we've actually got some mushrooms here. Now, I'm assuming as they are honey fungus. So it come from an egg sac. So I'm assuming that's some type of honey fungus. I don't know everything. I'm not going to take it because I don't know what it is, but it's either a hazel grisette, which is strange growing out to the side of a tree, or some form of honey fungus. So it's one I haven't come across, that is, guys, but I know it's on hazel trees, because this is surrounded by hazel trees. And hopefully we'll get some hazelnuts soon, but we really need some rain over here. Right, who fancies a bit of a trek? Just thought I'd treat you to this, guys. Let you see what I see. This is, like I say, this is in my backyard. Beautiful, beautiful area. I'll just wait for these people to go. And I'll take you on a bit of a trek. I know how much you like these woodland adventures. I don't do them all the time. I'm not always out exploring, guys. Well, not always out exploring. What am I doing now? I've only come out to get some tobacco. Yeah, I smoke, sorry guys. Don't do too bad for a smoker though. Because I tell you what, I do some trekking, guys. Now look at these ancient old steps. Look at this old relic. So yeah, this is Dimmingsdale, Furnace Forest Walks. And I just thought I'd share it with you. Bit of something different. And they just go into nowhere. Now this is in a valley. This goes really high up there. I've come all the way down there, down these steps. And now I'm going to take you a little wander through Wildman country because there's remnants of old world everywhere. Like I say, this dates back to, some of it dates back to the 10th century. You've got bits of wall everywhere. Loads of bits of wall. Well, let me just have a quick look. Like I say, this is for the guys who can't get out because we're having an heat wave. And what better way to cool down? Come and join the Wild Army on a bit of a mad one. Sorry guys. Let me just work out when this was, there's my gallery. Let me just check this out. 2004, so. They found pottery here that dates back to the 13th and 14th century, which was well established on the site in the medieval period. A sherd of late Saxon pottery hinted that iron working on the site may date back to the 10th or 11th centuries. So yeah, there you go, generals. Bit of narrative for you. I mean, is this actually as old as they say? I mean, nobody was about back then, but I'm not here for that. Today I'm here to bring you guys on a little wild mission. Share a bit of Wildman country with you. Like I say, a lot of you don't get out to see there. I mean, the guys in America have never seen there. I'm going to try and navigate my way around all this. We'll see what little mushrooms we can find. We'll see what bits of foraging we can do. Got some beautiful nature shots in. Some of these awesome old trees. Are they old? Who knows? Nobody was about, was they? Somebody's been down here building. Built themselves a nice little shelter here. I just thought I'd do a bit of something different for you guys. You know? Bit of a nature wander. Bit of a woodland wander with the Wild Army. But you just can't seem to get away from old world. I mean, there's bits of wall everywhere. Wall that dates back to the 10th century, 11th century, 15th, 14th. Bess of Hardwick, Earl of Shrewsbury, William the Conqueror. All the usual suspects, you know. Look at this. Beautiful clear water. Let that cool you down, soldiers. Hope everybody's feeling alright. A lot of people saying they're feeling anxious at the minute and a bit stressed out. So, I'm here to guide you through it, guys. I'm here to take you on a bit of a wander. Check out some beautiful nature. And have a bit of a chat. So, yeah, a lot of people are feeling it. Is it the moon? I know we had a full moon last night, which explains a lot. That sends people loopy. Let's take a look at these little dirt tracks. We'll see what birds we can find. animals, and there's probably going to be a couple of people about, but I've left it quite late, guys, so I'm hoping that we get the place to ourselves. A few sound effects there for you. And this is what I do. Like I say, I'm off work, so what better way? I wish Mrs. WILDMAN would have come with me today, but she won't be on camera. She hates it. Bless her. Right. Where do we go? Now I'll take a little look down this path because it cascades all the way down this valley. And you've got a few little waterfalls. Now there isn't much water running at the minute, but we'll see what we can find. Makes you out of breath when you're talking. You can hear water, guys. I think it's running over there. We need to go and check it out because, like I say, there's little waterfalls. And they're really old. You can tell they're really old. Or are they really? I don't know. I'm mind blown with a lot of the stuff we find. So yeah, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you like this sort of stuff. I will share some more little woodland wonders with you. I mean, look at this birch tree. This is what I usually get my chagga mushroom off. It grows on birch, but look, I've never seen a birch tree join like that. It's made a bench. Look at that, how cool is that? You've got like a natural birch tree bench. Awesome. Big shout out to Nick from the Family Groves, Freeman Good, and Peter's. Bit of a nature one for you guys. I'll put this on the Facebook. Now a lot of you probably aren't interested in this type of stuff, but I'm just letting you know what I'm all about, what I do on my days off. But it is a bit chaotic. Some of the places I go, the train rides, the bus journeys, the people. Some of the people, man. And sometimes you just have to get away from it. Come to places like that. Detox your mind. Bit of a nature reality check, really. And do you know why it's good for your lungs? There's so much oxygen and CO2 coming off these trees. You know? And I couldn't leave you out, guys. Couldn't leave you out. I thought I'm going to have to do a bit. I'm going to have to get the camera out, show the wild army what I got up to. Like I say, this is in my backyard. I could have walked here, really. Look at the walls. I've got to walk home though. Like I say, I've got to go shop on the way back. Kill two birds with one stone, as they say. Take a little track down here. Not slipping on my ass. Right. I think I've come the wrong way here, guys. But I'll show you what I can. Maybe a big shout out to Denise, Mr. Steve, Blackburn Drifter. I do too. If I miss any of you out, guys, I'm sorry. So many of you keep in contact with. And I'll see you all in chat and I'll be like, oh God, I've missed that guy, I've missed that guy, I've missed that. Man. Mazzy, there's loads of you. All the guys from work, Carlos, Gaz, Wazzy, all the load all line. Take you on a bit of a mission, eh? Let this cool you down. Heat wave, what heat wave? Check this wall out, what a relic. On black, ain't chewed on. So many little sweat bars down here kicking the ass. How old's that, guys? You know me, I like to get right down into it. Share it with you best I can without dipping the camera in there. Get a bit on the lens. This old wall everywhere. Everywhere. So don't know how big this place was, how much is buried underneath it. I should say quite a lot for how many walls we've got. They're everywhere. There's quite a bit more look at yet. So bear with. Thought it was a bit of something different. And you've got the other one here, which is little cascade. You can see more now, guys. There's people coming about now. You just have to, bit of foraging, bit of mushrooms, sharing a bit of love with you guys. I'm no new ager, I'm not a new ager. Well, I do think you're all awesome. I don't even know what new age is anymore. I mean, this is new concrete, obviously. New concrete, old concrete. It's older. I mean, you've got all sorts here, like big chunk there. An old gate post here. Ancient old gate post. Keep feeling like there's insects on me. What's this here? I thought that was a piece of tree, but that's actually another stone sticking up. No? I'm not sure what would have gone here. There's one big post there. Another big post here. All rocks underneath it. There's rocks go all the way up there, guys. We'll just take a look along here. Hi guys.
Hello.
Just doing a bit of history on the place. It's an old place. Look at this, jam rolls. Some awesome people about. Like a brand new couple, aren't they? Bless them. They could learn some stuff, some of these older ones, but they killed them all off in bloody 2020, 2019, killed all the knowledge off, didn't they? So, all the old ways are pretty much disappearing. I'm out there trying to relearn them. You guys, relearn our old ways, because who knows when we're going to need them. Look at these old walls. Ancient. Like I say, I'm not too far from Alton Towers, but I've been all round there. Nice and quiet, Jamrels. Awesome. We've got like a little beach here. I know where I'm coming when it gets a bit too hot. There was a load of kids down here, Josh, which was awesome to see because you don't see them out much. I mean, a lot of people are on their summer holidays, and this is my summer holiday. Checking out the world, questioning everything, looking for hidden history, wildlife, foraging, learning. Every day's a school day, guys. Like I said in my last bit, I come into this world as a child and I'll leave this world as a child, because that's what we're supposed to. Never take anything for granted and relearn everything, because we've been taught a load of crap. I think people are beginning to realise it now. Tell us absolutely anything. It's so easy to rewrite history. Knocking places down as we speak. Changing all the books as we speak. In fact, all the books are disappearing. It's all going online. So it's even easier to change. And all this younger generation won't have a bloody clue what we're on about. Here's the other piece. It cascades all the way down. Now on the right type of day, when we've had a lot of rain, I might come down here in winter and show you, because strips it all bare. So we're going up to the old furnace now. I'll see if I can make it up to it. But there you go, you've got Newton Bradley, Oakamore, Broadway, old furnace. So we'll go and try and make it to the old furnace. Oh, another waterfall up there. They're in running at the minute, but massive old rally, isn't it? channel running down there. Like I say, this one's more of a wander just for the guys who can't get out and about. It is an old world explore, either way, but I can't get away from it. Even the ducks are looking for old world lick under there, they're rummaging. So yeah, if anyone's interested in this place, I don't really like saying where these places are, to be fair, Generals, because you get a load of people come down, they completely ruin it. They go nuts, they set fires, they spray, it's a nightmare. Here guys, here's a nice little treat for us. It's a young one. This is actually chicken of the woods, guys. That's an edible, that is. I'm not going to take it because I don't need it. So why take it? I can't be doing with these foragers that go out and they take stuff just for granted. Take it for the fun of it. There's no need, guys. If you don't need it, leave it. Look at that, vibrant colours. That's actually a chicken substitute for the people who are vegans. I've probably shown it before. It's only a young one. Look at that, look at the colours. Member of the polypore family. That is defo chicken of the woods. Don't get me wrong, I do get some of my mushrooms wrong, guys, because I'm still learning myself. But I've learnt enough to survive. Right. I could survive off that. That'd be a lifeline, that would, if I was stuck out here. Little bit of a fry up. Little bit of chicken of the woods. Here you've actually got rowan berries. I'm surprised there's any berries at all, because we've had no rain. Blackberries are coming out a little bit. That's a rowan tree. There are rowan berries. They are edible, but you do have to really process them well, because a lot of these berries have got cyanide in them. So you really have to be careful. You've got to learn what you're doing, you've got to know what you're doing. We're all still learning. We're all wild. Now I was going to go that way, soldiers, the other side, but you wouldn't get to see much. Whereas this side, you do actually get to see a bit of these beautiful mill pools, furnace pools, whatever they bloody are. Like I say, guys in my local area, if you've ever wondered where Furnace Forest is, I'm showing you. But it's well worth a trip if you've got nothing to do. Get yourself down here. But treat the place nice, eh? This is Wildman country. We're all wild men round here, so. Oh, this looks a bit skaggy. Check it out. I don't know if I can make it across that. I could have done with doing a crossover, really. I really don't want to fall off there. I'll ruin me day. How old's this wall? Like I say, when it's all cascading down, it's absolutely awesome. And it's just a relic buried beneath Dimmingsdale. Well, a lot of people go to Dimmingsdale and they just go to the Ramblers Retreat for a meal, and a lot of them don't make it up this far. Not for me, because I'm always bloody walking, always out in it, learning it. Learning you guys along the way. Hope you're enjoying this little explore, Generals. Oh, they say in the chat if you like it. Like I say, a bit off the cuff. I just come out for a wander really, and I thought, you know what, guys over the pond would love the little bit of British countryside. Try and find some nature for you guys. Well, it's everywhere, but some wildlife. There was a big heron down here when I come down, but whether he's still there I don't know. I've probably baggered off. We'll see. See if I can get a shot at something wild. No, I think the heron's gone. I'll put him down there. There's a little house up here. There's all the light ferns and ferns. Massive. So much wild food around, which I'm surprised about. Like that chicken of the woods, I'm surprised at that because it's been so dry. Big old oak tree there. Big old oaky dokie. Birch. You know what? I don't care what time I go home tonight. It can go dark if it wants. I've got all I need in my bag. Oh, rally up there, look. I'm not sure if that's the old blast furnace house or what. I don't think it is. I think the old furnace house is further up, but that's nestled away. I tried doing an urban explorer on that in the past, guys, and some bloke come out. I thought it was abandoned. Obviously not. That's how I started out. I started out urban exploring. Learning to forage, urban exploring, wild camping and bushcraft, and ended up realising not everything's as it seems. Man, I could walk across that. Like I say, got a bit more to see up here. A few more nice little shots. More ducks down here. Wish I could have seen that heron. You know, I'll cross over in a minute. I can hear more running water. Look at these guys. I swear squirrels are chucking stuff at me. And no, that's not chagga mushroom, Generals. Size of that. Can you imagine if that was chagga mushroom? I'd be up that tree like a shot, picking bits off it. If you don't know what I'm on about, just research chagga mushroom. Plenty of benefits. Yeah, another little crevice down here. Let's make our way down here. Small ball. This looks even older. How old's that? How's everybody's anxiety now? Are we all calmed down a bit? A lot of people have been saying how anxious they are. That's why I thought, you know what? I'll take everybody out on a mesh, on a boot, and we'll just go and get rid of that anxiety. Because you only have to spend an hour in nature on your own, and you'll help put you right. Just come and talk to the trees. Listen to the water. Take in the energy. I've got a cross there. Have we got a cross there? I don't know what to do, guys. We'll get across there. So here's another drop down. So we're coming up now, we're making our way up the furnace. That's only brewed. You would have had a big turn on that. That would have blocked that off. Built this up, I suppose. Old world engineering. Like I say, that's what I am. I'm an old world explorer. I just thought I'd take you on a local one today. I won't go and do a video, but anyway, it is what it is. I just hope you're not bored. Make a way through here. That's it. And see what other little nugs we can find. Another little old pathway here. I think this drops down again. Let's see what time I'm on. 31. A little bit more to see. Insects bloody chewed on me. Taking you out on a wild mission. Oh, that's a big drop down. Comes the wind. I could have done with some smell-o-vision for you guys so you could smell the woodland. Down there. Another one. Another relic down there. And check that out. Hear it running all the way down, it's awesome. Maybe a little bit quicker really. I mean, look at these old roadways. Really old. Right, get down here. Let's see what we can find. Bit muddy. Channel. Another waterfall. So glad this is all running for you guys, because I thought it was going to be all dried up. Channel here. Would have been a channel going off there. Shit. Oh, great. You go down and you've got to go back up. Bloody nightmare. Bear with me guys. Ow. Bloody trees. Get out of it. Things you bloody do. Little pathways, walkways everywhere. So yeah, I don't know how old this place actually is. Somebody will have the idea, the answer. To Alton Abbey, 2 miles. Well, can't go there guys. To be fair, I don't think Alton Abbey's there anymore. I know Croxton is. Things you do, eh? Look, nature's handle. Awesome. Oh my god. No mushrooms down here. Good old modern pipe. No good to no one. Bloody eyesore. Got all that beauty and then someone stuck a big old concrete bloody pipe down there. Come on, generals. I'm not sure what you'll make of this vid. You'll probably all unsubscribe because it's like, ah, it's boring. I don't see this as boring, generals. It's just a nature one. Bit of something different. Looking for shrooms. And a lot of you wanted foraging vids. I suppose this has had a bit of foraging in it. Found some chicken of the woods, rowan berries, honey fungus, crazy trees. Man, that's a big tree. I'm making my way out to here now. We're at the top end of the valley. If you like this, guys, let me know if you want me to do the WOODLAND, because I'll go to Alton Castle and do all that side of it, because we've done about halfway up there. But you know, I go around the cities and do old world city explores. This is going around the woods and doing an old world woodland explore, because there's so much buried beneath us. So much we haven't been told. I'm just out there trying to find it. Because you'll get your mainstream, don't get me wrong, you'll get your time team come along. I don't do mainstream, guys, I'm alternative, I am. And I like being like that. So you'll either agree with me, disagree with me, but I'm more of an alternative history searcher. I don't like going with everything I've been told. It's hard when you've been lied to for nearly 50 years, you know. And then what will probably happen is I'll probably get a load of subscribers come over for the nature, realise that I'm an old world explorer and go, oh, I'm listening to him. I'm not listening to him. You can't win in this game. It's a bloody minefield out there. I'm just me, sharing my mission with you. You know? Because it's been quite a journey. Been through everything. Been through bloody county tax, biblical stuff. Been through bloody everything. And then I decided to set my sights on the old history and the lies we've been told. Especially since that stupid bloody 2020 thing what they threw out at us. And they pretty much showed all the true colours. Time to take a bit of power back, yo. Look at there. The squirrels are still chucking stuff at me. The bloody gat. This old post. I still haven't found any bloody chagga mushroom. I will do though, I'll get some. Thing goes with me is I end up getting it for everyone else. I'll find some and oh, get me some chagga mushroom, so I get it, people. And then I can't find any for myself. But oh well. Beautiful, beautiful bits of nature. Big shout out to Curly, Carl Alcock and Lou. I'm hoping to catch up with you before I go back work, guys. If I can get to you. Johnny Cabs, he's off on his holidays, but I'm hoping to get out and about with my man Cabs. I need you to get me to Iron Bridge, brother. Bloody nightmare. But see what I mean about it being everywhere, guys. It's everywhere. The whole world, don't matter where you go. It's all buried beneath us. Look at big destruction derby. So yeah, I'll say it again. Furnace Forest Walks, other side of Demmingsdale, near Cheadle, Staffordshire. Get yourself down here, guys. Preferably when there's a bit more rain, because it's nice for a dip. And then you've got like the top pond up here, which I'll show you. And then I'll probably end the vid, because I've got a bit of walking to do. Probably got about 4 mile do all in all on a round trip. It's not much to the WILDMAN though. Sometimes I'll do 15-20 mile on a journey. Well worth it. Share it with you guys, the Wild Army. This is true Wild Army really. This is how I spend my days off. That's all the craziness and madness. Rushing round. And today we're not rushing round, we're just taking time out. Wild Army style. All world exploring, but in a different fashion. In a more gentle fashion. That's worked out just nice, 41 minutes. And this is where it starts. Now the house is up there, but I'm never going to make it up there in time. But it's only a little brick house, it's not really too exciting, guys. But I'll end it here because we've got relics here. Old walls and beautiful, beautiful nature, water sounds. Really good for an heat wave, really good for your anxiety and your worries. Like I say, I'm just guiding you through it best I can. I suppose I am captain of the Wild Army, so I just thought I'd treat you today. All my generals, all my soldiers out there, you're all absolutely awesome. And you've built this, generals, you've done it. I'm just here showing you my approach, my views. Taking time out with you. Getting chewed on by insects, which I don't mind because it just builds my immune system up. Which is what everyone's short of really. You get out there, the more you get cut, bit, the better your immune system. Unless it's been compromised, if you know what I mean. Which I've seen in a lot. Never consent for anything, generals. Learn from your mistakes. A bit of water, look, lovely. Bit of a cool down. It says warm. I don't know what it is at the minute. Probably about 23. It's not too warm. I'm going to have a nice coffee now. And then I've got to make my way to the hustle and bustle of reality. Go and get some bits and bobs. I will get out on another explore, might be weekend or what have you, but little old channel there. But yeah. So guys, I just thought I'd share that with you. Weird seeing me with no hat on, innit? But somebody did say, they said, oh, do you ever take that hat off? Well, I took it off for you guys, but I don't know if it'd make any difference. Still look weird, I've got ever such a tiny little head. You know what I mean? There's a lot in there though, guys. There's a lot in there. No, I'm just kidding. Absolutely cream crackered, but I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed sharing it with you. I enjoyed taking you on a time out. Bit of a chilled out one. This is for all the Wild Army out there. If you're new over here, you'll get to know what I'm all about, but this isn't the usual explore. It is an old world explore, not the usual. But yeah, take care, generals, and I'll see you in the next vid. Who knows what we're going to find next? This is on my doorstep, so finding stuff everywhere. You can't get away from it. So yeah, big love to you. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget, hit the share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and build the Wild Army for us, guys. Because there's a lot to find out there. A lot of things need put him right, you know. So yeah, take care, generals. Till the next vid. Weird. Bye. Big love, guys.